You've heard of buy the dip when it comes to the stock market, but did you know that you could actually buy the dip when it comes to your mortgage as well? Probably about 3 years ago, when interest rates for 5 year fixed rate money was hovering around 2.99%, you would have been a genius if you would have locked that in. Did we know that the future would result in what we have today? Well, yeah, we kind of did. It was probably clear around September of 2020 that the official cash rate was too low for too long because the government decided to borrow a lot more than probably what they should have during that same period of time. We have significantly higher inflation and higher interest rates as a result. Fortunately, I was in the category of people who was able to lock in some money at that time, which was amazing, and I took advantage of that cheap money. Now, I followed the same technique when I came to my decision as what I teach others to do also. It's like picking stocks, but with your mortgage. If you want to hear more about the active mortgage refixing strategy, make sure that you're subscribed to my newsletter. Link is in the description.